breaking news on the classified documents case. Let's get right to Ken Dilanian. Ken.
Jose, in a remarkable development, Judge Aileen Cannon in Florida has dismissed the indictment against Donald Trump in this classified documents case and his co-defendants on the grounds that the appointment of the special counsel violated the Appointments Clause of the Constitution. This is an issue that has been litigated in other special counsels, has never succeeded, but Judge Aileen Cannon has accepted the arguments of the defense that the appointment of Jack Smith and other special counsels, by inference, has been improper and illegal. And I'll just read you briefly from the opinion here. She says the bottom line is this: the Appointments Clause is a critical constitutional restriction stemming from the separation of powers, and it gives to Congress a considered role in determining the propriety of vesting appointment power for inferior officers. The government's position, she says, effectively usurps that important legislative authority, transferring it to a head of department. Let me translate that. The Attorney General appoints the special counsel. There's no law, there's no act of Congress establishing the office of special counsel after the independent counsel law went away. What Donald Trump's lawyers argued is that that's improper. The special counsel has a lot of power. He should be established by law and confirmed by the Senate, and he's not. And Judge Aileen Cannon has accepted that argument and dismissed this indictment. Now, this is very likely to be appealed by the special counsel to the circuit court. It may go all the way up to the Supreme Court. And what's really interesting here, Jose, is in the immunity opinion, Judge Clarence Thomas filed a concurrence where he raised this issue, and he all but said that he believed that the appointment of Jack Smith and other special counsels was unconstitutional under the Appointments Clause. And many of us said at the time that that was, in essence, giving Judge Cannon a leg to stand on here if she wanted to rule in this direction, which no other judge, Jose, no other judge has ruled. And now she's done that, and she has dismissed the indictment in the classified documents case against Donald Trump and his co-defendants.
The entire indictment dismissed by Judge Cannon.
That's correct.
I want to go to Vaughn Hilliard, who's standing by. Vaughn, just monumental breaking news on this case.
Nominated him for president later this week, and less than 48 hours after he survived that assassination attempt on him at a rally in Pennsylvania over the weekend. Obviously, this case has been bogged down in delays for months now. It didn't even have a trial date, but this is an enormous victory for the former president and his legal team.
Well, look, this just adds to that air of triumph that he's going to bring into this. Leading in the polls, surviving the assassination attempt the way he did in Pennsylvania, coming in as you talk to delegates already here at the convention, you get the sense that they're treating him as already the president-elect. Obviously, there's 4 months of campaigning to go, but there is a real sense that he's got it all going for him, and this certainly plays into this. And I have to say that there's something else about the timing here. Look, Judge Cannon has already been overruled on matters, including, by the 11th Circuit, which is a conservative circuit. So there is little doubt